Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the BPMIO Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. A powerhouse cleaning device with 4,500 pascals max suction power. Perfect for tackling dust and pet hair on any surface. Equipped with advanced 360 degrees LiDAR navigation, this smart vacuum uses SLAM algorithms for quick, precise mapping, storing up to 5 floor maps, making it ideal for multi-level homes. With smart app and voice control, you can customize cleaning schedules, set no-go zones, and even control it with Alexa or Google Assistant, ensuring a seamless cleaning experience. The B12's versatile 2-in-1 design includes a Y-pattern mopping system and adjustable water levels, while its large wheels and enhanced edge cleaning sensor 2.0 ensure it navigates smoothly across different floor types and obstacles. Enjoy up to 145 minutes of runtime, with intelligent self-charging that resumes cleaning once the battery is sufficiently charged, providing uninterrupted performance. The robot's dust-proof HEPA filter captures 99.69% of dust particles, ensuring clean air release and preventing secondary pollution. Lastly, our reliable after-sales support team is dedicated to helping you maximize your experience with the BPMIO Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, ensuring your satisfaction every step of the way.